Hi, my name's Kathy and welcome to the very first of my Kath's Corner learning series. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to run an effective business performance review with your clients. Well, what I'd like to do is explain to you where this fits within the context of offering your clients value-added service, and this is based on the PAN model, which I've used and adapted in certain places, as you'll see as we go along. So I'm just going to explain the process in general to providing business improvement or value-added services to your clients. First step, as always, is to define your firm's vision and goals around this project. How much revenue do you want to generate? What sort of resources do you have to be able to dedicate it? All those bigger picture planning issues. Then, very important step is to select the right clients, and I would like to say at this point that what I am doing in this process is with hand-selected clients. So perhaps your top 30 clients or your A-class clients who are more likely to be receptive to these sorts of services rather than your once-a-year compliance clients. With your other B, C and D class clients, you would probably use the PAN model, which doesn't go into so much detail. The reason that I am using a more detailed approach is I have an expectation and I have a track record of a conversion rate of over 50%, and that is due to putting in these little extra touches that I'm about to go with you. So we select our clients. Then we conduct the business performance review, which is generally a free of charge complimentary session that you offer to your best clients. It's been suggested that you can do it in 1 hour. I have found that 2 hours is about an appropriate amount of time, and many of them have dragged into 3 hours. People do love talking about themselves and they love talking about their business. And as you'll see as I go through this process, I've really spent a lot of time getting to know their business, getting to know their customers, getting to know their competitors. So the other great thing is then after you've done the planning session and you've got a really good detailed plan, you want to keep your client accountable. You want to sign them up to a monthly monitoring program, much like a coaching club, where you're meeting with them on a monthly or a quarterly basis. Generally, I would suggest monthly for the first 3 to 6 months until you've got some of the bigger, meatier strategies, till they've been rolled out, and then you can peg back to quarterly. But you need to keep the momentum up because, as we all know, it's easy to walk out with great intentions after a, session, and 90 days goes past and nothing's been achieved. So you really need to be hyper vigilant with your clients, and that is again where the Panalytics 2.0 system is amazing, because you can set the parameters, and this would be very helpful for your monthly monitoring. Combine that with a set of really powerful designed zero management style reports, and you can be alerting your clients, and your monthly meeting will just be literally an hour's preparation. Get them in, have a discussion, offer them some advice, take away some pieces of value, and they know what they have to do between now and next month's meeting. So that's really what you want to get to, and I would imagine from the time you've had the business performance review to the planning session to getting them onto the monthly meetings, if you keep the momentum up, you can do that within 4 to 6 weeks generally. A lot easier now, a lot easier if your client's already on Xero or a cloud product. Basically, the business improvement services, I'm going to take you through each of the parts in a lot more detail, and that'll be the next parts of our training sessions. So I hope you can join me for them. Thanks. Bye.